Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrinceandTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, yesterday we talked about, a morning dip and then going ahead and reaching for that upper Bollinger Band on the daily chart. And that's essentially how it played out. We didn't close on the highs, but we closed pretty close. We also talked about the fact that we're in a news vacuum until Thursday. So we're in the middle of that news vacuum. There's no news to knock us down at this point. And what this market has shown consistently is that in the absence of bad news, in that kind of an environment, we will grind higher. And that's where we are. In all of this, I qualify all of it by saying there could be some bad news today. We could get something out over the tape that we don't know about, and that could knock us down. That's what's knocked us down in the past. If that happens to be something that keeps us down, that's another story. But we have had fiscal cliffs, we've had Cyprus, we've had lousy jobs reports, we have had terrorist attacks on American soil, and we continue to make new highs. That's the bottom line. And you have to trade what you have in front of you. And this is what we have. You may want the market to go down. You may hate this economy. But the market is the market. And the market and the economy and the market and political philosophy and the market in your personal time frame are all separate things. So what are we looking for today? I'm looking for the same thing today that I was looking for yesterday. Some kind of a dip. Now, the 1609 area really wants to be good, and it held up again overnight. The upper band sits around 1622 today. So I'm going to be looking for, probably another, everybody throws around the term inside day, and that is probably the best way to describe what I'm looking for, maybe with a little bit of an upward lean to it. But I'm looking for us to reach up around 22 and touch that upper band again and continue the ride. And we're going to have to see how that goes into Thursday. But until the bears can muster something, we're going to continue to grind higher. Now, that thesis of mine falls apart, or it starts to fall apart, if we lose that 1609 area. If we lose the 1609 area and that area becomes resistance, then you can start to think about selling some rallies and looking for things to migrate back towards 1600. But for now, we are slowly grinding higher, and you need to plan accordingly for another touch of the upper band today. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, PrinceandTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.